Welcome to your new Eagle 10000 Plus. To begin the unboxing, remove the banding straps. Lift carton and remove. You'll find several loose parts stored in the engine compartment. Go ahead and remove all the parts and have them ready to install. Now with the Eagle 10000 unboxed, it's time to get it set up and ready to use. First, attach the tailpipe to the muffler using a 9/16 socket. Next, let's connect the battery. The Eagle 10000 Plus is shipped with the negative battery cable disconnected. Make sure the engine switch is in the off position. To connect the negative battery cable, remove the battery access door with a 3/8 socket. Remove the blue cap from the negative terminal. Attach the battery cable securely to the negative battery terminal using a 1/2-inch socket. Now, it's time to fill the fuel tank with clean, fresh, lead-free gasoline. Stop fueling once the fuel gauge reads full. Be careful not to top off the tank and leave the filler neck empty to allow for expansion. At the end of each day's use, refill the fuel tank to minimize moisture condensation in the tank. Running out of fuel tends to draw dirt into the fuel system. The Eagle 10000 Plus is shipped with the engine crankcase filled with SAE 10W30 oil. Make sure to check the oil before starting the engine. Next, it's time to attach the electrode holder and work clamp. For electrode positive welding, attach the electrode cable to the positive output stud and the work cable to the negative output stud using a 3/4 socket. Connect the stud covers found in the accessory pack using 3/8 socket. For the electrode holder, remove the handle mounting screw and slide the handle off the holder and place over the electrode holder. Cut the rubber and place the bare end of the electrode cable into the holder with the cable strands divided equally on both sides of the connecting screw. Tighten the clamp and slide the handle into position and secure with the mounting screw. To connect the work clamp to the cable, use a wrench to tighten the bolt. To register your product, please visit lincolnelectric.com and click on the Resources tab. Now you are ready to weld, but before you strike an arc, make sure you read the instruction manual entirely and are following all safety protocols, including wearing a helmet, safety glasses, welding gloves, and welding apparel.